Hello everyone, welcome back! It's time to start a new year. We're getting kids in the classroom and setting up devices. There's always one problem that really plagues us though. Stickers. We get it. Stickers, vinyl cutouts, and other decorations are really fun. It can be used to organize your classroom at a glance. Unfortunately, they cause us and the device a lot of issues. Over the summer, we spend hours cleaning stickers and the like off of devices that will need to be sold or repurposed for other staff and students. These stickers often leave a sticky residue on the devices or cover a serial number that we need for warranty repairs. The only stickers we advise to be on the device are the labels that we set up for the students, or a CB sticker on a Chromebook, and any serial number sticker on any of our devices. None of these stickers include passwords for anyone, something that should never be on the device for security reasons anyway. And there we go. Let's get off to a good start and have a great year. See you next time.